In today's modern world, amphibious vehicles are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They have become a reality, offering groundbreaking solutions for mobility. From SUVs that transform into boats, scooters that glide on both land and water, to all-terrain vehicles that conquer every limit, these machines unlock endless potential in everyday life, military applications, and tourism. This article will take you on a journey to explore unique vehicles such as the Watercar Panther, Gibbs Biski, Sherp ATV, and many more. Discover the advanced technology and incredible features they boast, from speed and transformation capabilities to durability across terrains. These vehicles are a testament to human ingenuity and relentless creativity. Amphibious, this cleverly named vehicle does exactly what it says on the box, an amphibious bus. Created in Holland by Dutch Amphibious Transport Vehicles, the Amphibious was designed as a one-stop solution for tourist transportation. Specifically built to withstand the choppy conditions of harbors around the world, the Amphibious was tested at the infamous Rotterdam Harbor, where it performed admirably. It is a 12.8-meter-long behemoth that can carry up to 50 passengers and is based on a modified Volvo bus chassis with a hull that enables flotation. Fully certified by European transport regulatory authorities, it is powered by a Euro 5 engine and twin water jets, which push it to speeds of up to 8 knots on water and 60 miles per hour on the road. Gibbs Quadski. The Gibbs Quadski looks like a ferocious blend of the best characteristics of an all-terrain vehicle and a jet ski. One of its most impressive features is its ability to transform from one to the other with the switch of a button. This device is powered by a BMW Motorrad K1300 engine, which allows it to rocket at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour on both land and water. Carefully constructed from lightweight materials, the Quadski has a composite hull, a wide track, and a low center of gravity, all of which ensure stability. It has a range of over 600 kilometers on land and can travel for up to 2 hours on water. The Quadski is available in some regions of the US with prices starting at $40,000. Avtoroshuman 88. Another impressive amphibious ATV from Russia is the Avtoroshuman 888, and it is massive. The overall dimensions measure 20.7 feet long, 8.2 feet wide, and 8.9 feet high. As the name suggests, the vehicle has 8 wheels, with a ground clearance of about 18 inches and a turning radius of under 25 feet. All front and rear wheels can turn in opposite directions, meaning the vehicle can almost spin in place. Power is generated from an Iveco F1C 3.0-liter diesel engine that delivers up to 170 horsepower. With a curb weight of 40,800 kilograms and a maximum payload of nearly 1.5 times that, the top speed is 44 miles per hour on land or 4.3 miles per hour in water, with the optional propeller attached. Sherp ATV. The Sherp ATV is one of the most sought-after all-terrain vehicles on the market, renowned for its ability to conquer all manner of terrain. The Sherp battles rocky land with the same ease as it tears through fallen trees. Videos have showcased the Sherp overcoming obstacles as tall as 70 centimeters high. Thanks to its 800-liter capacity tires, the Sherp can float in deep waters, travel at a respectable speed of 28 miles per hour on land and 3.7 miles per hour in water, while steadily plowing through anything nature and humans can throw in its way. You can have yourself a Sherp ATV at prices starting from $65,000. Gibbs Biski. Forget reinventing the wheel. The Biski will help you reinvent your entire two-wheeled experience. It is a 55-horsepower twin-cylinder engine scooter that runs on land like a normal moped, but get this, it can transform into a water scooter at the touch of a button. Created by Gibbs Amphibians, a company known for their out-of-the-box thinking and reliability, this vehicle can run at speeds of up to 80 miles per hour on land and 37 miles per hour on water. To switch from land to water use, just flip a button, wait for the rear wheel to fully retract, and you're ready to cruise. Watercar Panther, produced by the California-based company Watercar, The Watercar Panther is an innovative combination of an SUV and a boat. It has garnered attention for its ability to conquer both landlocked and aquatic terrain, as well as the uncanny ease with which it transforms from a road-going SUV to a seafaring boat. In addition to this remarkable feat, the Panther also lives up to its namesake in terms of speed, powering along at a respectable 80+ miles per hour on the road and 44 miles per hour on the water. The Panther also features a 6-slot grille, a folding windshield, half doors, a roll bar, and a fiberglass V-type hull, which ensures that the rider can cruise at high speeds on water. You can own the Panther in all its power for the price of $158,000. Ultra Heavy Lift Amphibious Connector, the UHAC, short for Ultra Heavy Lift Amphibious Connector, is a new transport vehicle developed by the U.S. Marine Corps for ferrying troops, tanks, and trucks from ships to shore and back. This heavyweight transporter can move at a decent clip, speeding along at up to 23 miles per hour while carrying loads of up to 200 tons. It was the product of years of research and development at Navitec, with financial support from the Office of Naval Research. Designed to drive both onshore and over obstructions up to 3 meters high, this vehicle achieves its feats thanks to tank-like treads fitted with captured airfoam cells. These ensure buoyancy in water and serve as paddles while also enabling the UHAC to traverse various terrains.